and welcome back to my channel. So it is officially summer, okay? Well actually it's not officially summer, but if you live in Texas like I do, it's summer, if you get what I'm saying, okay? So for today's video, I'm actually going to show you guys some of my favorite crochet hairstyles and brands for the summer slash for your vacation, you know? If you're anything like me during the summertime and when you're on vacation, the last thing you want to do is have to constantly tackle your natural hair. And when you think about a vacation and when you think about summer, you want hair that's lightweight, hair that you can get wet, and hair that is low maintenance. So that is what I'm going to show you today. All right, with all of that said, let's get started. All right, so number 5 on my list for top vacationing slash summer hair is some hair by Afri Naptural. And it is called their Ripple Deep 18-inch hair. So I know you guys are probably like, girl, you didn't do a review on this hair. I actually installed this hair right before I went to an event. I believe it was like a year and a half ago, and I never got around to actually doing a review. So yeah, this is some hair that I have had in my head before and I have not reviewed. Of course, if you guys want to see a review on this, I do have some additional packets, so I could install it again. However, when I installed this hair, it was during the summertime, the first time. And I actually went swimming with this hair and it was completely fine. One of the reasons why this is in my top 5 is because this hair, I would say, is an alternative to a sew-in. So typically, you know, you would get a sew-in and you have to just maintain it and deal with all of that. And plus it's expensive. Like, you gotta get the hair, you gotta sew it all in. This is a really good alternative to doing all of that, you know? This is fairly cheap. I believe this hair is like $5.99 a pack, and you know, you can install this and it gives you kind of that water wave look, something that is really great for vacationing slash for the summertime. I think it's a great option for some summer hair to put in, and you get your, you know, your little island vibe with your long hair and your deep waves and so forth and so on, and you can get it wet. So that's always a plus. So jumping straight into number 4 on our list, this is some hair that I actually did review on my channel. So of course, you guys know, as per usual, I will put all of that information down below in the description bar, including the link to the actual review. But this hair is by Authentic, and it is the 2x Jumbo Senegalese twist. If you've been subscribed to my channel for some time, you're pretty familiar with this hair. Obviously, for the sake of this video, I am showing you guys the 24-inch. However, for the top 5, I'm definitely referring to the 12-inch. You've watched the reviews for this hair. I've reviewed both the 24-inch and the 12-inch. I did not have the 12-inch with me, so I'm just showing you guys what it looks like in the packaging. However, I definitely recommend for the summer getting the 12-inch, not the 24-inch. Okay? There's many great things about this hair, but when I did install this hair, I had it in for, I want to say it was like 4 to 6 weeks. It was a pretty lengthy time that I had the hair in. This hair is so great for vacationing slash the summertime is because 1, it's lightweight, so obviously that's a no-brainer. 2, it's pretty low maintenance, and 3, you basically get 2 styles of hair in one. It starts out in Senegalese twist, but you can unravel it to get somewhat of a twist out look on your hair. But yeah, I did both styles and it lasted for a long time. So who wouldn't want to have 2 different styles when they're on vacation? Right. So number 3 on my list of top 5 crochet hair, there are actually some faux locks by Model, and they are called the 2x Soft Faux Locks Light. So this is another hair that I've actually installed before, but I did not do a video on, and so I really do apologize, because I know y'all are like, girl, get it together and do these reviews, okay? But anyway, this is number 3 for sure in my top 5 list, because I installed this hair back, I believe, in 2016 for a vacation. I installed the hair. I did nothing to this hair when I had it installed. Like, I didn't have to do anything to it. Obviously, the way the faux locks are made, they are twisted all the way to the bottom. I didn't have any issues with them unraveling or causing me issues when I was on vacation, and they're lightweight. I definitely think this is a true option if you are looking for some just vacation hair that you don't have to touch. This is definitely it. And not to mention, like, look at the girl on the packaging. Like, this hair is super freaking cute, and it's not too long and it's not too short, and it, you know, it's cute. Like, you gotta, yeah, for sure. All right, so now we're down to 2 more. So number 2 on my list of top 5 crochet hair for the summer / vacations is one that you guys are probably pretty familiar with if you've been subscribed to my channel for some time. But this is the Natty Goddess Dreadlocks by Amour. So this is what the packaging looks like for those of you who have not seen this. I do have a review on this on my channel, so if you guys want to check out the details related to it, of course, I'll have that down below in the description bar. I wore this hair in Belize and I went swimming in the ocean with it. I washed it. I did everything to this hair and it did not unravel. It didn't cause me any issues. It wasn't frizzy. It wasn't heavy. Like, it was just some really good hair. So now we're down to number 1. You guys should probably already know what it is. I rant and rave about this hair all the time. So number 1 on my list of top hair for vacationing / summer is none other than Bobbi Boss new locks. You should already know how I feel about these faux locks, so I shouldn't even have to go into detail about it, but I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of detail. These are definitely some of the best faux locks I've ever installed, and I've installed a lot of faux locks. These are by far the best ones that I've ever installed. I know that's a very strong statement, but I stand by that statement wholeheartedly, and for anyone who has installed these in their head, you know the deal. Like, these are some bomb faux locks. These faux locks definitely age like fine wine, and they last for so long. I want to say I had these in for almost 2 months, if not 2 months. And even when I took them down, I'm like, there's nothing wrong with my hair. There's absolutely nothing wrong with my hair besides the fact that I have so much new growth. This hair lasts, it's just amazing. This is definitely my number 1 recommendation when it comes to vacation hair. If you install this hair for a vacation or for the summer, you will have no issues when it comes to this hair. It's lightweight, it's easy to maintain, it doesn't frizz. Like, I don't think I had any issues when it came to this hair. So definitely this is the best hair to me on the market for sure. So yeah, that's my top 5 overall. I really hope you guys enjoyed the 5 that I had in the top. Obviously the last 3 or the top 3 are all faux locks, but y'all know how I feel about faux locks, and I definitely think faux locks, Senegalese twists, and box braids are definitely great options for vacationing in summer because you don't really have to do much to keep them maintained. Whereas the more looser texture crochet, you know, like the Jamaican bounce and so forth, you have to do a bit more maintenance in order for it to stay intact when you know, go on vacation. So for sure, I know that top 5 was somewhat, you know, geared towards faux locks, but definitely try those out. And let me know if you've already tried them out. Tell me if you feel the exact same way, or am I tripping? Okay, thank you so much for tuning into this video. For my returning supporters, thank you guys so much for your continuous support. Love y'all. For anyone that's new to my channel, hey, how you doing? Welcome. Thank you for watching this video. Of course, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. I will be releasing some very fun videos over the next few weeks and all summer, really, for real. So definitely subscribe to my channel if you have not already. If you have any questions related to any of the hair that I showed you in this video, or any of the hair types that I have down below in the description bar, feel free to comment down below in the comment section, and I will be sure to respond to your comments. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time, bye. Make me sad,